Hello there, and welcome back to another exciting video. If you stick with me for the next 10 minutes or so, I'll not only show you how to do it, but I'll also show you how to grow it and start making even more money. You don't need a website, you don't need a credit card, and you can do it from anywhere in the globe. And this is going to be one of the most interesting videos you've ever seen on how to make money on the internet. So without further ado, let's get started. In this video, I will show you how to make money online using this new app. This is a free website and available in all countries. It has multiple payment options including PayPal, Skrill, Amazon, and more. You can start making money right now with this free website that I'm about to explain to you. And you can put it up on autopilot to create even more money. You'll also discover how to increase your productivity and potentially earn more money. So make sure to watch the video until the end. You must first create and maintain your own PayPal account before proceeding to the website. So go to paypal.com and click this button to create a 100% free account. Simply enter your personal information and log into your PayPal account. If you don't want to do that, you can open an online bank account by searching for online bank account in my country on Google and signing up for a free account with that online banking website. So first and foremost, I'd like to show you that this is effective. As you can see, I only use this site to earn this much money. This is only one of the several ways you might benefit from it. There are ways to make a lot more money with the platform. But I just want to demonstrate that it works, and then you can see the payment I received directly to my PayPal account. But first, don't forget to like this video and let me know in the comment section if you enjoy learning new money making strategies so that I may continue to share new ways to make money online. One of numerous I've gotten, as you can see, the amount was delivered immediately to my PayPal account. Apart from that, you can start other internet businesses because, as I previously stated, the platforms I'm about to show you and this video offer many different ways to make money. Now that we've cleared that up, let's jump right into the tutorial so I can show you everything. We'll be going online today to make some money. This one's domain name is squishycash.com. Now, this is one of the oldest make money online sites, which is why it appears to be so antiquated. The fact that they've been around since 2007 can also be seen in the upper left corner, indicating that this website is not a scam in any way. Aside from that, this website has been inactive for quite some time. This website has over 282,126 members and has paid out nearly $350,245.30 to them, as you can see right here. So how exactly do you intend to make money? You can see what I'm talking about in the video. With our cashback program, you can earn money by completing free offers, taking surveys, playing games, signing up for free trials, and shopping online. So this site offers a wide selection of money-making opportunities, which is amazing. Squishy Cash enables people all around the world to make money from home by doing things they regularly do online. On the other hand, these surveys are the ones I would recommend. Many of you are probably aware that I am not a big fan of them, but if you are serious about making money, you should complete them. Anyway, there's also the referral system, which pays you $1 for each active referral and provides you 25% of the money earned by individuals you link to me. Referring people can be a good way to earn some money and passive income if you don't have a lot of free time, though it won't be much. With all of that being said, I believe the best feature of this website is the large number of payment options available. They can pay you with gift cards from places like Amazon, eBay, Walmart, Target, Best Buy, and others, in addition to PayPal. They can also pay you with a Visa card. Yes, it will most likely work in your country. This is a truly global platform, and I know many of you were hoping to hear that. The payment proofs may be found further down, and I recommend that you have a look at them. Please contact us if you have any reservations about this website or the testimonies included below. In any case, all you have to do now is input your email address and click register to begin earning money with this program. The best thing is that they'll pay you $3 to do it, which is incredible. Of course, it's expensive, but it's a great benefit since signing up needs zero effort and takes very little time. Regardless, this is a spectacular site in general. It's been there for a while and has a lot of cool features, but it's also the first website I'm going to look at today. But before we continue, don't forget to like this video, click on the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new and exciting videos about earning new money-making strategies online. The second website is rewardingways.com. And when you go there, you'll discover that, like the first one, offers a range of payment options. PayPal, Skrill, Tango, Amazon, and this type of cryptocurrency are among them. And for those of you who prefer cryptocurrencies to real money, they pay within 24 hours or less than a day. So what exactly can you do to make money on this website? You'll see that you'll be taking surveys right here, but don't worry if you don't like them. There are other possibilities. Despite the fact that I previously indicated that I despise surveys, I will be at surveys, which are the most common approach. When it comes to option polls, this site stands out. This is the greatest paying survey site that allows you to earn money online. As the name says, you can get paid right now and work from the comfort of your own home. Last but not least, like the other sites, will pay you just for signing up right now. The website's best feature is without a doubt the reviews. Instead of going to trustpilot.com, search for Trustpilot on Google, and you'll find this website there. Rewarding Ways has a 4.7 star rating and nearly 790 views on trustpilot.com. Not only does this show that this is a perfectly legitimate website, but it also shows that people adore it when it comes to reviews and opinions. I've never seen a website with so many positive reviews. You'll note that 84% of respondents evaluated the wait as fantastic, only 10% was great, and only 5% rated the delays as ordinary, terrible, or bad combined, if you scroll down a little. So consider that for a moment. Many individuals enjoy visiting this website. It's a startling number, and as I've indicated, it proves that it's an undeniably trustworthy platform. Furthermore, if you go back to their homepage, you can see how much money they have distributed, which is nearly $2 million, which is much more than the prior platform. You can see that you can earn cash and gift cards by taking online surveys, so if that's what you want, they'll pay you in gift cards as well. However, they do offer the opportunity to earn points by watching videos. Paid trials, surveys, and offers are all options. The same points may be used to purchase gift cards, which can be found right here. Below is a demo as well as some additional information about this website that you can view whenever you have free time. Scroll down to see the reviews, which are nearly identical to those on Trustpilot with a 4.8 star rating and nearly 449 reviews. In any case, to get started making money with this website, simply sign up for free here. After that, you'll be brought to this website where you'll need to fill out the essential information to start earning money. So input your first and last names, login, password, make sure it's solid and strong to avoid being hacked, email address, physical address, city, and any other personal information you have. Finally, you'll fill out one of the forms below depending on how you want to get paid. Email addresses can be found on PayPal, Skrill, Visa, and even your own cryptocurrency wallet. All you have to do now is tick the boxes consenting to their privacy policies and agreements after you've accomplished all of this. Click I am not a robot and then register to make a new account. And that wraps it up. This is exactly how to make money online using this new app. I hope you found this video helpful. Please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so you won't miss any part of the video. I appreciate your undivided attention and I hope to see you on the next one.